Okay, perfect.
Yes. I got the papers. Now let's go get the van. I got the keys. Let's go. Welcome to my crib.
Can we go eat? I'm hungry.
Yeah, let's go. I am going to miss the auto wipers. So now that the paperwork is done and the van is officially mine, the plan is to make it my own. I'm going to just drive it around as it is for the next little while because it is fully converted. All I need is a battery, so that'll be the first project on the list. But it's fully campable, so we're gonna use it as it is for the next little while and see what really needs to be changed and what I can basically just leave as is. But it is going to become my daily driver because today I'm actually heading to Toyota to return my RAV4. They are giving me an excellent deal to break my lease early. This will be the last time that we drive this vehicle. Bye. Guess what came in? We have power. It's really heavy. But I guess we have no power for the van. The whole reason I got my RAV4 in the first place was so I didn't have to worry about breaking down on the side of the road or having to deal with engine problems or anything that comes with an older van. So was it really a good idea to get rid of my RAV4 and have this van in my new vehicle?